How to hide apps on your Android device. What is up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily hide apps on your Android device. So the very first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and long press on your apps or home screen. Then you want to find the settings menu at the bottom right. Instead of that, in some phones, you also have the pinch in feature. So you just zoom into your home screen and it will take you to a secret space where you can hide apps. But in my case, I have to access the settings first. And once you access settings, scroll down here until you find hide apps on home and apps screen. Just go ahead and tap on this. And all you have to do is find the app that you want to hide. So I'll just hide my app Pinterest, which was on my home screen. So I'll just search for it, tap on done. And if I go over to my home screen, as you can see here, the Pinterest, which was supposed to be here, is now gone. Even if I try to search it on my app drawer, I'm not able to find it. And that's basically it. That's how you can hide apps on your Android device. If you found the tutorial helpful, like the video down below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.